How to find hotspot password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings is the central hub for managing your device's features, including connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. Once you're here, tap on the Mobile Service option to access your cellular network settings. On the Mobile Service page, you will see a toggle switch for mobile data. Make sure this is turned on to use your cellular connection. After enabling mobile data, the Personal Hotspot option will become available. Tap on it to proceed. You can view your Wi-Fi password over here. This is the password other users will use to join your shared Wi-Fi network. Following these steps, you can easily find hotspot password on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.